DJ NTV.
My people, now good morning. We don't come again with our correct ogbonge stories. This morning just reaching us now say federal court for where they sit for Port Harcourt don't stop Governor Godwin Obaseki from participating in Edo State PDP primary election. Now recall say PDP grants waiver to Godwin Obaseki to fit participate himself and the deputy Philip Shaibu. Now, not just that, the petition will come from the court will stop and be say it come from an aspirant who is still there inside the PDP party, which is Omoroge Iyama Ogbede. Now, it's a member where they represent Oredo Federal Constituency and also a governorship aspirant. The katakata where they follow this election every day na so new drama. Make una sit down, make una dey here, they listen to us because we go dey continue to dey update una with all the happenings for town and for Edo State and Nigeria at large. Now, as they don't stop and so we go come know wetin go happen next. Make una stay here. Before the end of today, we will still update una more on wetin dey go on. Now remember say Oshomole talk say if APC reject Godwin Obaseki, how PDP go take accept am. Now we don see how it take play. Say true, these people they do underground work. This one they working on, this one they working on. We go see who go win in the end. Not forgetting say our president congratulate Izeya moved for primaries we win for APC. Now it can't come to mind say na primary win president they congratulate her. Meaning say they don already conclude that say na Izeya na be Edo State governor. But we dey here they look. They say sit down look na be dog new. But we not be dog, but we go sit down they look. We'll see how they play. Una do well oh. Una good morning from here. Thank you so much. Una not forget to click the like button. Wanna drop on a comment and make una subscribe for more story. Thank you.
DJ NTV.